welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to show the videos that you liked on TikTok to everyone else in your TikTok circle, or how to only see for yourself the videos you had liked. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. And now let's go. You need to know one thing, that video likes are hidden by default when you create an account. To hide or to show your liked videos, let's do that. Let's open our TikTok application. To show the videos which we had previously liked to everyone, or to see that those videos for ourselves only, that is all in our control. And now to do that, let's go to the profile button. Tap on the three line icon on the top right corner, this option over here, tap there and go to our settings and privacy options. Let's go and let's search for the privacy option, which will be the second in the account category option. Let's tap on the privacy option, and you can see it's not a private account. I have published it, and we need to find the option which says who can view videos like is on liked videos over here. Currently I have it for only me. I can do it for everyone now. After switching the option over here, the videos which I have liked while watching on TikTok will be available to watch for everyone who are in my circle. For those people who are in my circle, they can watch the videos which I had liked previously. So if you don't want to show the videos which you have liked previously on TikTok to everyone in your TikTok circle, then just tap the option into only me. Whichever you want to do, it's in your control. And guys, this is this simple to show the videos to your TikTok family or TikTok community or your TikTokers surroundings. Peace guys, and if you have any questions or comments regarding this topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.